All right, we're going to do a ultrasonic facial and show you how to use the machine for this. So let me just pull the machine up a little bit closer, as you can see. And there are two attachments for the ultrasonic feature. The ultrasonic, just to show you close up, to turn this side of the main power on, and it is our first function here using the electrotherapy. Ultrasonic has great benefits for the skin in promoting anti-aging, lightening, whitening the skin, and increasing the circulation to the skin. So this is really great for dark spots, pigmentation spots, dark circles under the eyes, and just rejuvenating the skin. It's also used in body treatments at a higher frequency for reducing cellulite, breaking up fat deposits, and toning the skin. So we have two attachments. We're going to turn on the ultrasonic button, and it's going to flash, and the button flashes on and off. You know that it's on. There's two modes for the attachments. This one is the flat one for larger areas, the forehead, the cheek, and if you're going to do any of the body areas, we're just going to focus on the aesthetic facial treatment for this video. And then it has the smaller attachment for around the nose, closer to the eyes, under the eye area, and the middle of the chin. Any areas where you really want to get in there because it's got the curve to it. So we are applying any kind of like a gel or a serum to the skin. So we want to do an anti-aging kind of a treatment. She doesn't need to have the butterfly eye pads on for this treatment, actually. So we can take those off, so because we want to get around the under eye area a little bit closer. So we're going to take out some of the serum. We've already cleansed. You would do this after, in your step of your facial treatment, you would do it after your mask or with product on. This is our serum hibiscus and rose, which has the DMAE, which promotes anti-aging, cell rejuvenation, and collagen. So that's why we're putting it around the eye area. And we're going to focus her treatment on this part of her skin. So let's begin with this one. You don't have to really worry about it, just about like contact and making contact, so it's a lot easier to use, but we will put it on her forehead to begin with, and just make sure that she still stays a little bit wet, just so that you have the friction and the ease. And we are going to, okay, so we have this attachment, and we have the guide here for it. I can feel it already going. So the directions that we're going to use is little circles, about 2 minutes for each area. And we're going to ask her how that's feeling, what strength. So usually around 3 or 4. And if they have thicker skin, then higher frequency. But if they have thinner skin, they're going to feel it at 3 or 4. Thicker the skin will be maybe 4 or 5 or 6. So circles, this is great for tightening her forehead muscles and releasing collagen into the skin to plump up those areas. You could also use the Pretty Eyes anti-aging and brightening pearl at this time as well. And maybe I'll break open one of those or show you that in a minute. And then we're going to go to the other side. So circles up and out. Concentrating on those wrinkled areas to plump and to tighten those muscles and to get the collagen into the areas. Now we can slide down and around, and let's do her cheek area. Come back up the forehead. Switch hands. And make sure that you're doing your circles up with the muscles. And then sliding down gently. And in a minute, I'm going to change my attachment and then change the mode for the proper attachment to match. Now, when we are going to do the chin, just keep it tight. We can go around the lips as well with the smaller attachment. Okay, stop this one. Now that one. I've gotten one of my treatment pearls, which are for whitening and brightening the skin. They have the added pigmentation reducer. Let me just get one that's already open so you can see. So what you do is you break off the tip here. You're going to break off that tip. Get closer. Get a little bit closer. And then you squeeze out the serum that's in the pearl. And there's enough serum for several days application. We're going to put this around her eyes and underneath as well, because that's where she needs the brightening and to reduce those dark circles. So the ultrasonic is decoagulates the pigmentation spots, so it breaks them down. All right, so we have that massaged in good. And now we're going to use the smaller attachment that's going to go around here, easier, closer. So let's turn on, we're going to switch the mode to the other attachment here. And then we're going to lower the frequency and then start it. So we're going to ask her how that's feeling until she feels it. Don't push hard. You don't need much pressure. You just want to keep it in little circles until she's comfortable with that. And then about 2 to 3 minutes for each area, and you have your chart. We keep this going, we'll just refer to your chart. It's one of the extra handouts. It's uploaded under the section on ultrasonic treatments. Extra dry skin, mature, spot, and aged skin, 13 to 15 minute treatment. Intensity level 3 to 5, the level mode. It has the little bar there for it. And dry skin would be thinner and capillary skin. Time would be 10 to 12 minutes. Intensity level 3 to 4 level. And the mode is the same. And then let's see here, watching. Going to come around and do little circles around her lips. And we could actually have put some of that anti-aging collagen. It's like a natural Botox with the adrenaline in it around her lip area as well. Just avoid the whole lip membranes, but just around the lips. And then we're going to switch hands and come around to do the other eye. Oily skin would be an 8-minute treatment, and intensity would be 3 to 5 level. So like I say, the thicker the skin, the higher the frequency level that they'll be able to absorb. And this would be with the same, either one of these attachments. Acne skin, that's not sensitive. So acne skin that's oily but not really irritated or sensitive, then 8 to 10 minutes as well. Intensity level of a 3 to 4. And then we would use the other mode here, which is a different conductive attachment. I'll just show you after. And then for sensitive skin, just an 8 to 10 minute treatment, and keep it to 2 to 3 or 4 at the highest for sensitive skin. All right, let's come around and let's do the lip area again. And then we can just do in here, around the outer eye area again, with the smaller mode here. These wrinkles in here. And that's good. And then you could proceed with her relaxation facial massage or some acupressure on the nerve points.